Welcome students. This video is for class 10th and you are going to study geography chapter 1 resources and development. Student, today I am teaching black soil. In the previous video in part 2 you read types of soil and I also taught you one soil, that is alluvial soil. So this video is part 3. So before watching this you must also watch part 2 video. Now student, let us understand what is black soil. So today student, I will just teach you black soil. Okay students, let us understand what is black soil. Black soil is also known as regur soil. It is the name of the soil, black soil, and it is also known as black cotton soil. Why it is black cotton soil, student? It is black cotton soil because this black soil, it is the best soil, or it is ideal to grow or to cultivate cotton soil. And let me tell you why its name is black soil. Its name is black soil because it looks black. Its color is black. That's why its name is black soil. Okay student, now let us understand what are the factors for soil formation. Student, you know first requirement is climatic condition. So black soil needs moderate, it means neither hot nor cold, plus parent rock. Parent rock, you know what is parent rock? It is a layer of the soil. So in class 8 you have studied soil profile. So you know there are three soil profile. First one is the top layer, top soil, which is the uppermost soil, and second just below it the subsoil, and after this you will found parent rock layer. So for the black soil, parent rock is important or required. What is parent rock? Student, how it becomes parent rock? It becomes parent rock due to the basaltic rock. So how basaltic rock is found here? Basaltic rock found here just because of the volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption, you know, when it happens or when it occurs, the lava comes out. When lava cools down, and you know it is rich in igneous rock, and when this igneous rock cools down, you know student what is igneous rock? It is just type of rock also, or you can say it is type of soil. So when igneous rock cools down, then we can say on it the condition black soil is found. So this is the process, or this is the condition which requires for the formation of black soil. And you know in our Deccan Trap or Deccan Plateau, this process has happened. Then there black soil is found. Now I will just show you with the help of figure also. Now student, the question is, where do we find black soil, or where it is found? What is the location? What is the position in India? In which state we find black soil? Let us understand. See student, it is found in northwest direction in Deccan Plateau. On Deccan Plateau, it is the state Maharashtra, Saurashtra, it is in Gujarat state. Then Malwa, it is just in Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh, and also this soil extended in southeast direction. Now student, let us understand with the help of figure. Now student, you can see this is the map of India. So here you can see just in Gujarat, and this area is Maharashtra and MP, and in some parts of the Chhattisgarh also. So this black soil is found here with the help of the figure. I hope you have understood where is the black soil found. Now student, let us understand this black soil's nature. Means student, the characteristics of this black soil is it is a clay nature. Clay nature means it has capacity to hold water for long time, and it is also very sticky. Sticky means it will stuck in your slipper when you go on this field, and if it is not plowed or tilling is done after the first pre-monsoon shower, then it will be difficult for tilling also. So this is the nature of this black soil. It is very sticky and holds lots of water. Now soil nutrients found in it. Let us understand what is soil nutrients. This soil contains calcium carbonate, magnesium and potash and lime also. So you remember this. Now let us understand student, you know, in this soil when it during the hot weather cracks are found, more cracks are found. So I will just show you figure of the black soil with crack. Okay student, now you can see this is the figure of the black soil, and you can see there are many cracks. So this is black soil. So I hope you have understood the characteristics of this soil. So student, now let us revise. So today I taught you black soil and the different names of the black soil, like rigid soil and black cotton soil. It looks black also, I told you. Now the factors, I told you the climatic condition and the role of the parent rock. Then I told you the location in which states found. It is found in Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. This black soil. And I told you the nature of the soil, that it has capacity to hold water for a long time, and it is also sticky. Then soil nutrients, I told you, I taught you calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime also. Then I taught you that this soil during the summer season or hot weather, it has cracks. Then the cotton and sugarcane found. Then homework. Thank you. What are the crops found here, student? The crops, that is cotton and sugarcane. In it, this soil, this black soil, cotton and sugarcane can be cultivated. Student, you have to remember this point here, that it is the most suited, means this soil is mainly suited for the cotton and sugarcane, but we can also grow other crops also, like wheat or other crops also, but mainly this crops is more suitable in this black soil. Now students, I have homework. Let us understand. So first question is multiple choice. You have to just tell the in which of the following state is the black soil found. And next question number 2, you have to tell, name the states having the black soil and the crop. You have to just tell the which states black soil is found, in which state, and what are the crops grown here. I hope you have understood this black soil. Thank you.